Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Thank you to all my subscribers, returnees, my subscribers that keep returning to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Now today we're going to continue, or I cut all my pieces. I'm going to start sewing this, I should say. Wrap around pencil skirt, and it's a reversible. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about a couple of materials you can use, or how you can use the materials to cut this design. Okay, for example, if it's a plain fabric, it's just the two right side, you put it together and then you cut it because it's reversible, right? So if it's two plain fabric, that's the easiest one. You put the right side together and you cut it. Let's say if you're having a printed fabric and a plain fabric, and the pattern, you don't have to worry about matching the pattern, but the pattern is all over the same, different directions is the same. Also the same thing, you put the plain one the right side and the printed one the right side together and you cut. Let's say you also have two different print fabric, but the same thing, the patterns are all over the place. You don't have to worry about how to match it on and off. You just also the same thing, you put the right side together and you cut it. Okay, if you have, let's say, two printed fabric but you need to match, you have to cut one piece at a time. Okay, and then use your grain line to match your patterns, to match it correctly. If you don't know how to do that, go back, way back to some of my videos, and I walk you through how to match your printed fabric. I didn't go into too much details, but that can help you a bit. Okay, so then you have to cut either one. Cut one piece first, and then the other one, you put the what do you call it, right side of the fabric, but then put the pattern upside down, the printed side down. Okay, so this pattern has a back piece, is cut on fold, so that one you don't have to worry too much about it. Okay, now when it comes to the left side, as I said again, have the fabric right side up and put the pattern piece right side down. But then you can use your grain line to match your pattern design, or you can use, sometimes I use the double line for lengthening and strengthening, lengthening and what do you call it, shorten and lengthen your pattern. Sometimes I use that too. Okay, so this is the left side and this is the right side. Okay, this is the right side. Again, I'm using African print and I'm recycling some of my fabric that sitting down there for years that I haven't worn it, so I'm recycle some of my fabrics. Okay, so this African print that I'm using. Now there's a strip of tie that goes inside on the left side to bring it out the right side to tie your skirt on the front. With the blue one you can see better than the red one. Okay, so that one is done already. I've done that already. These are the two fabrics that I'm using. And I've sewn this, I've cut and sewn this one already, okay? So that's the left side. That's the back. Center back. Yes, I'm trying to show you the seam. Here's the seam. And the center back, and this is the right side. Okay? A funny cut. Okay? Now, this is done. I'm gonna go to start sewing the red fabric, and I'll be right back. So hold on. See you in a bit. Hello there, I'm back. Okay. The left side is joined, the right side is joined, all the dots are put in, serge and press, and then the tie, you put, if you have a different fabric, you have to put the tie opposite way, okay, not the same fabric towards that fabric. Has to be the opposite fabric covering the opposite. The word isn't coming up, okay? The opposite way, okay? So now I'm gonna join both skirt and stitch all around from whatever end all the way to the bottom, leave an opening, and all the way back, turn it right side out, iron it, and I'll be right back. So hold on. Hello there, I'm back. It is all done. So done. That's the back. And then when you go on the reverse side, and the pattern doesn't suggest that, but I believe it would be good if you put a snap from this end to the other end, so that it will stay. Okay, I'm switching it to the other side. There we go. Like, I'll put it on, take some pictures, and that will help you see it better. Okay. And this is the other reverse side. Okay. Let me straighten this up. I went too far on that one. I think this should be okay. I'm putting paint in there for now. So there and there. And as I say, I'll put it on and take some pictures, and then you see it better. But this one is done. This one is all done. Okay, let the camera focus. It's all done. Now I had to look for fabric for either this or this one, depends on what fabric I have. New Look 6229. New Look 6229. If I get it, the right fabric, then I'll do the contrast. Or this blouse, I don't know which fabric yet. This is also New Look 6598. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.